Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melody TV so ekuo bi yefre omo the Ashanti NDC Youth Caucus na eno no wawe hu de ye ka ho asem che se NDC fo awomo ewo Ashanti region wo mu mebunu ena tre se wo de ensem bi aba abonten na ekuo no se wo ne NDC fo mpanyufo ewo Ashanti region na ekasa se they have to deal with Chairman Wontumi and Tracy Boache because some crofo two way yankrophobia and ye can the crepa se wusi asantimemu na ye ka sende ye voter and ye kra NDC wo munya 10 votes kra na ne ni agi na nkrofo mienu we so ye Chairman Wontumi and Tracy Boache na e wo se ye ne omo edili ni yie nti ekuo na wo ye mebunu no wo ne wo seniors akwakasa se adan na motena se mo hwe se nkrofo mienu yi e de NDC enim ye fom e wo asanteman mu saa adan na ne ni nemu no me betretre mu ensem ni mu na I don't know whether you understand the point these people are coming from. Now, if today is the very first time you are here, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Metro send your best our screen so as we are going on into the metro and not just a way this is pepe. Okay, so that is right on your screen. Into you understand we me bell so we understand latest news be about not just one sa aka. Quickly young consem nimu. Now, yenim say yes. Chairman Wontumi me favorite Chairman Wontumi ne angle me we anam the battery si boache there no. Now, Chairman Wontumi eyobia this year MPP. You see, I have now understood. Some of them can read me before audio be tremo. Audio nim no Chairman Wontumi was jubilating. One name crop for the MPP for mu jubilating after the voters registration every year. I have now understood why Chairman Wontumi was jubilating. At the end say, womo a plan. Emma womo calculated to her say, if Ashanti region enya over 300 people to register for the voters register and they come out in their numbers to vote, then surely MPP will win. And your calculation via MPP for aya to her. And so now is the Chairman Wontumi any so says our voters register ye baby will be everything possible. Now MPP enya 3 million na Ashanti region enya 3 million registered voters. Nekra at the end of the day, Ashanti region, they even got over 3 million registered voters. Not just say, and this wadi who na Chairman Wontumi this scene and so calculations are MPP 4 year statistics are wamudi bomu eye nini na sisia abim. That was why in the audio I played to you guys, no, Chairman Wontumi was saying, say, sisia there it is over. Mahama will never become president again because they have done some calculations and have seen. So once Ashanti region gets over 3 million voters, then no, Mahama will lose. And now why ma Ashanti region enya? Intino, dear Nkrofo way eka and they say woman tiasie. Say Chairman Wontumi ana MPP 4 aye calculations at to say ni say nebesi. Na NDC kone wa Ashanti region o matena se ahwe. Hwe han ama MPP for ni so ade hu na wo mu di si wo mu ni so no abem eye de Chairman Wontumi ye no wo mu nti ase. Aside that no other threats Chairman Wontumi will pose, and you see because of that 3 million thing inti some people in Ashanti region say Chairman Wontumi should go again on the post as the chairman, the regional Ashanti regional chairman for MPP because almost wa boy juma wa ya there. Now another thing, and it said Chairman Wontumi asanso a radio and TV station. As you see our kotena so and the Mahama agenda. What can sem to the swa? What can sem to the swa? Ghana has so dear. Oh ya den. Oba bontina be can sem to Nkrofo super ye be jedi. Iti ekuo we a wo mote Asante memu trese. Sansen we ni na Chairman Wontumi sanso kotena ni TV ni radio so eka no. Mama Hamadin say wa Ashanti region the more. Adia sa Ashanti region ho ne kra no. Mahama kra won sheda enya vote wo ho. Because a MPP for stronghold. na chema wuntumi esan so eye ade we aba behim na tre se Mahama de wanhwe ye kra nkrofo 10 kra nto ma no wasantema mu nti ekuo we a wo ye mebunu se wo mo nti ase na e wo se NDC for sorry no mu dealing with chema wuntumi because he is a threat to the NDC in the Ashanti region. And you see, what's in us now share ade nkrofo we eka, it is true. See, you might not like Chema Wuntumi. You might call him illiterate. But let me tell you one thing. The man is a very smart man. I deal with this thing. So you see, these things are Chema Wuntumi war yet. So dirty politics I told you be a war play, we better than the TV so I can't send for Mahama and the running mate no. And ya there enye, but it is very, very calculated. And it is what I am telling you. So dear na Chema Wuntumi you know, it is working. It is working. Iti NDC memunu no wo mo ehu se ade ne ye adwuma. Nti aye omo ya. Se wo mo mpanyifo no aye hwehan atena se aye hwehan matre se mpanyifo no de wo mo ehu hwe e ma nyama we esisi. Jasema wo mo kan no. So why they want to deal with Chema Wuntumi no? No. The threat, how they no it is here omo ka say wo mpanyifo no they should take measures wo mo so ntina se mfa plans ne hu ne say Chema Wuntumi ba beye bibia ya nso ye be attacking no from this side that is I cancel out Chema Wuntumi beye so ya ne nso ya fa ha ne ya cancel out Chema Wuntumi beye so ya ne nso ya hye ha nti wo mo say wo mpanyifo ntina se mfa plan pa enkechi ya say na so enkechi otherwise won be nu omo ho asem a wo mo ka no now ye wie with the Chema Wuntumi threat now yanko Tracy Buachi de no Tracy Buachi de no enda me ne wo ka sei mebo audio bi atrel na audio na ega ni a wo wa abrochwe na after this particular video mebo sa audio no na Ghana ni na wo wa abrochwe kra no ono kra no po e believe say Papa no a Tracy Buachi ne Misbel ko ho no eye John Dramani Mahama ende imebu no tre se wo ba Asantema mu a na wo fa nkrofo 10 na wo bi so omo a sa nkrofo 10 na out of 9 they strongly believe say eye Mahama na Tracy Buachi wo ka ne ho asem no nti they are saying say Tracy Buachi egu omo ho fi because ye nim say Tracy Buachi ye NDC ni wa Asantema mu iti Tracy Buachi asanso ama Mahama din dragging in the mud wa Asantema mu omo say ye to abama na odi oba na odi yesika no sebe odi ko fa Tracy Buachi ne Misbel asemu a yese nkrofo kan wa Asantema mu no nti aye omo ya sensem we ni na ekoso no NDC mpanyifo a wo mo wa Asantema mu no wo mo mba abonten be kasa ama Mahama ye se wo dabi enye Mahama na wo dabi enye se trese wo mo aye kom na hwe han na ye say Mahamadin. So you see the angle they are coming from. And Mama Watia said the angle they are coming from, they have a point. They have a very valid point. They have a very, very valid point. Because Tracy Buachi ne Misbel on top of Mokuin, there is no way it is going to affect MPP. No. There is no way it is going to affect MPP. There is no way. It's one more de more canon. Same penny for the Yesha High Ashanti region Hododo. But what share in someone more can there is sure more pan ASR 3 million targets no. There sure more pan no. I say how could we have allowed and I wouldn't as someone more so a kind say aside MPP and aside MPP attaining that 3 million targets our more can 1 so no. Ukwa NDC 4 baby ye hu ne say NDC 4 strongholds sir. Yes say we mo complain say people were not made to register over there. Not just say MPP 4 ye taxes kululu bi won say ase. E ma wo mo stronghold na wa Ashanti region no, o mo register gumu boom. Na so NDC place na wa Ashanti region ho no, ya mo register. Just someone wo mo kan no. Say aden and NDC 4 ne be ye hwe han sa. MPP for target abem wo mo target be mu nso no ye nso ye nkrofo ya mo register aden enye easy chairman of the group your friend George Padmore group ya omo kasa yi your friend George Padmore omo spokesperson nipa okasama omo your friend Siaka Moro omo no mo de nsem we aba betu dwai mo try mo adwo comment box no tie for me da se